Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. Which of the following sexually transmitted disease is not completely curable? Option A gonorrhea, option B genital warts, option C genital herpes, and option D chlamydiasis. Now the key concept that is applicable here is sexually transmitted disease, that is STDs, its management and prevention. Now if we talk about the STDs, so STDs are basically caused by intercourse, having an intercourse with the infected person or having intercourse with multiple partners. So STDs are basically caused by infection from bacteria and infection from virus or viral infection. So viral infection has the characteristics. So virus have the characteristics to mutate and generally change their genetic material एंड ड्यू टू दिस, इसकी वजह से वो जो ड्रग्स होती है, एंटीवायरल ड्रग्स होती है, उससे इजीली रेजिस्टेंट हो जाते हैं. रेजिस्टेंट मतलब कि वो जो ड्रग है दे डोंट वर्क, वो जो ड्रग है उनके ऊपर वर्क नहीं करेगी. So this is viral infection, and therefore viral infections are generally difficult to treat. Whereas bacterial infections की बात करें तो bacterial infection जो है वो हम क्योर कर सकते हैं एंटीबायोटिक्स देके. अगर कोई इंसान एंटीबायोटिक्स का कंप्लीट कोर्स करे then the disease can be curable. Now let's see all the options given. So the first option is of gonorrhea. This is caused by bacterial infection, and this is generally curable by giving antibiotics. So this is curable. Now option B. So option B is genital warts. So genital warts are a viral infection, and this is caused by HPV, that is human papilloma virus. ये यूजुअली ट्रीटेबल है, बट द HPV, दैट इज ह्यूमन पेपिलोमा वायरस, वो बॉडी में परसिस्ट करता है, बॉडी में लॉन्ग टाइम तक रहता है. सो दिस इज वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट इट इज ट्रीटेबल. द ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज genital herpes. So genital herpes is again a viral infection that is caused by HSV, which is herpes simplex virus. And this is generally not curable in spite of giving drugs. So this is not curable. Option D. So option D is chlamydiasis. So chlamydiasis is again an infection of bacterial infection, and therefore by giving antibiotics it is curable. So this is also curable. Based on our discussion, we come to the final conclusion that the correct option to this question is option C, that is genetic herpes caused by herpes simplex virus, and this is a sexually transmitted disease and not completely curable. Hope you understood this well. Best of luck.